Questions for a special picture. 1. What does the word painful mean in paragraph 3? A, something that hurts. B, a picture of the chest. C, something that feels good. D, in the hospital. Remember to go back and prove all of your answers. 2. What did his mother mean when she told the doctor that he was having difficulty breathing? A, Malcolm had a fever. B, Malcolm's breathing was loud. C, Malcolm was having trouble breathing. D, Malcolm's breathing was fine. 3. Why did Malcolm begin to cry? A, he was not feeling well. B, he was afraid of having an x-ray. C, he didn't want to stay by himself in the hospital. D, the nurse was unkind to Malcolm. 4. Read the first sentence of the summary below. Summary of a special picture. Malcolm was feeling sick, so his mother took him to the hospital. Which of the following best completes the summary above? Which of the following best completes the summary above? A, Dr. Burns planned to x-ray Malcolm's chest. This scared Malcolm. B, the x-ray machine takes picture inside people to help the doctor understand what is wrong. C, x-rays are used in factories to check cars, airplanes, and radios. There are many uses for x-ray machines. D, to calm his fears, the nurse explained to him that the x-ray he was about to be given. 5. Read the meanings below for the word order. Order, verb, and a noun. 1. The state of everything being in the right place. 2. A spoken or written request. 3. A rank or position. 4. The way things happen, the way the world works. Which meaning best fits the way order is used in paragraph 1? A, meaning 1. B, meaning 2. C, meaning 3. D, meaning 4. 6. Look at the timeline about Malcolm, then answer the question. Malcolm was sick for several days. The nurse led Malcolm into the x-ray room. Blank. The nurse went over to the x-ray machine. Which of the following events belongs in the empty box? A, Dr. Burns met Malcolm and his mother at the hospital. B, the nurse asked Malcolm to stand with his back against the wall. C, Malcolm rested in the waiting area. D, the nurse asked Malcolm to lie down on the table. 7. Look at the diagram about the nurse and Dr. Burns. Answer the question that follows. Nurse used the x-ray machine to take the x-ray. Dr. Burns ordered the x-ray. In the middle of the ovals, they explained to Malcolm how the x-rays work. Blank. So which of these goes in the blank? A, only works in the emergency room. B, will give Malcolm breathing treatments. C, is a nice man. D, was at the hospital when Malcolm got there. Remember to prove your answers and show all of your work.